Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. Folks, who doesn't love a good curry? If you're a fellow curry lover, then smash that like button. Now, the world of curry is vast and expansive, and I have covered many curries on this channel. I have done everything from a vindaloo to a jalfrezi to a Thai curry to a tikka masala. If you haven't checked out any of those recipes, click here on the I button and check out my curry playlist. Now, today's recipe is a chicken Malai curry. This is a beautiful non-spicy curry and it is the creamiest curry you will ever eat. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. The first thing we are going to do is marinate our chicken, and I'm using chicken drums and thighs with the bone and without skin. You can use boneless chicken as well if you like, but I feel the flavor with meat on the bone is always better. For the marinade, I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken with salt, black pepper, cumin powder and coriander powder. Then I add in some ginger garlic paste, some dried kasuri methi also known as fenugreek leaves, and some yogurt. And I give that all a good mix. And you can marinate the chicken for as little as 1 hour or as long as 24 hours in the fridge. Once that's mixed, set it aside. Now I get my non-stick saucepan on the stove and heat up some ghee, also known as clarified butter. To that I add in some whole spices, a bay leaf, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, the green ones, and once they start sizzling, I throw in some sliced onions and also some skinless almonds. I will saute this for about 2 minutes on a medium-low heat. I'm not looking to brown the onions, I just want to sweat and soften them. Remember, this is a Malai gravy, so we want the color to be whitish. Also, normally cashews are used, but since I wanted to keep this keto friendly, I used almonds. I will also salt the onions a bit at this stage because I like to build up the flavor as I go along. I continue to saute it for a minute or two. Now you can see my onions are soft and translucent but still without any browning. That means they are done. So I turn off the heat and let them cool down. Once they are cool, I put them along with the almonds and the whole spices into my blender. I add a splash of water and then I give it a good blend. At the end of it, you should have a nice smooth onion and almond paste, and if you aren't on keto, use the cashews instead and you'll have an onion and cashew paste. Not to mention, it's got the flavor of those whole spices as well, which we ground together. Now I add my paste back into the saucepan, and because mine is a non-stick pan, I'm not adding any more cooking fat. I also made sure to rinse out the blender with a bit of water since I don't want to waste any of that paste. Now you basically have to fry the paste for about a minute and then you can go ahead and add in your marinated chicken. Make sure you don't waste any of that marinade and get it all out from the bowl. Then give everything a good mix. Once again, you aren't looking to get color on the chicken, so after sauteing it for about a minute, we're going to add in some water. Give everything a good mix and turn up the heat. You want to bring the liquid in the pan to a gentle boil, after which you can turn down the heat to medium and cover it and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, pop the lid open, and now I will just turn the heat up a bit since there is quite a good amount of gravy in the pan and it's still quite liquid. What I want to do now is cook it down and get that gravy slightly thick and also continue cooking the chicken till it's done. So be patient and just let that cook for another 6 to 8 minutes and keep checking the consistency of the gravy. Once it's gotten nice and thick, we're going to add in some heavy cream. And then you just give it another good mix and we're pretty much done. You can turn off the heat and your Malai chicken curry is ready. But of course, we always like to finish our dishes by garnishing them. So a bit of black pepper and some more kasuri methi to finish it off. And your keto-friendly Malai chicken curry is ready. And it looks rich, decadent, creamy and delicious. But I guess you all know just how we roll here on Headbanger's Kitchen. So before I can taste, here is the fancy black slate with the dish, and it's picture perfect if you ask me. That is a dish fit for a king or a queen, and I really just can't wait to taste it. So enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Hey folks, it's time to taste our Keto Malai curry, and I'm not even going to bother with a spoon because I've got my favorite part of the chicken, the leg. And I'm just going to dive right in. Oh my. Moist chicken, creamy curry gravy, and like the spices are just so mild and moderate. It's flavorful without being spicy. It's not bland because people are like, if it's not spicy, it has no taste. No, I don't like those people. But if you like flavor without the, the face burning, the tongue burning, and then tomorrow morning the you know what burning, this is the curry for you. I just had to take another bite. So good. I'm going to go and enjoy this now. I hope you guys will make this, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, let me know in the comments what is your favorite curry in the whole wide world. And click here and check out another one of my curry recipes, or click here for the keto dessert.